Hi, I'm Jennifer Matranga. I'm the project manager for Oscar Contracting. Today we are on Walker Street. Our crews have just finished the drainage structures and road base is being installed. Just down the block, we are working at the intersection of Main and Walker, completing the storm drain structures. We have finished laying the storm drain pipe on Elder from Main Street to Lemieux, and next week we will be completing the storm drain structures. Our goal is to have Walker and Elder Streets paved with base course of asphalt by August 6th, before school begins. We have installed base course of asphalt on Cuevas Street, north of Bradford, all the way to Bayview, on Fayard, on Strawberry, and on Anglada. We have installed the final course of asphalt on Dacey, Rosada, Midway, Keller from Esther to Division, Old Bayview by the harbor, Lee Street, north of Suarez, Crescent, Hill, Dr. Gilbert Mason, Heidenheim, and Splendor. Within the next couple of weeks, we will begin the installation of sewer and storm drain on Cuevas, south of Division. We continue to install sewer on Forest, north of Division. Once that is complete, we will begin installing the drainage. The storm drainage on Forest, south of Division, is complete. We are working on Benaki, completing the installation of the storm drainage. We are also working on the sidewalks and driveways on Cruces, and landscaping will follow. Safety is our #1 tool. Part of Oscar core values is protect my family, and that's what we're doing here today. We're having a safety stand down and having a safety meeting in the middle of the workday. We are appreciative of your continued patience and support, and thank you for your cooperation.
Hi, my name is Jack Gravick. I'm the Assistant Project Manager for Hemp Hill Construction on the Biloxi South contract, and I'm here to give you an update on the status of our work. We currently have 5 pipe crews, 3 dirt crews, and 1 cleanup crew, and multiple subcontractors working hard every day to finish this project. We have 3 crews on Father Ryan Avenue, west of St. Francis, working to complete that area before school starts. If that area is not done before school starts, we will open up a lane for bus traffic only. We have 1 crew installing the storm drain up White Avenue on the west side of the street. We have another crew also working on installing the utilities on Chalmers Drive. We have 3 concrete crews working on restoring the sidewalks, pouring storm drain boxes, and that are about to start pouring the concrete pavement back on White Avenue. We have 3 dirt crews, 1 on St. Francis Street, 1 on Oak Grove Place, and 1 on Morrison Avenue, putting back road base. We just finished installing the curb on Azalea Drive, Irish Hill Drive, and Benaki Avenue. Warren Paving has moved in today to start fine grading the roads for asphalt pavement. The base asphalt on Azalea Drive, Irish Hill Drive, Benaki Avenue, the Giuseppe's parking lot, and Oak Grove Place should be installed by the end of next week. We also have 1 cleanup crew that is dropping back to previously paved streets to close out those areas of the project. We would like to thank everybody for being safe around our employees and to continue driving slow around our construction zones while keeping our employees' safety in mind. Thank you.